Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and this is me trying really hard not to get into knives, and well, I'm kind of failing at it. So this is a knife. I bought another AD20.5. Actually, a few folks told me not to get this one because it has the Grivory scales, however you are supposed to say it. I think it's just basically some kind of plastic. So anyway, this is a special exclusive edition or limited edition, whatever you want to call it. And it was on sale, so I figured I would just try this one out. If I didn't like it, I could just sell it on, or maybe I'll keep it. I don't know, maybe I will like it. So let's take this off to the side for a moment. So I did buy some extra scales. These were $10, I think. So maybe I'll try the white ones and sell off the ones that came on this. I don't know, they were 10 bucks, so I figured I'd buy it. I think this box is nicer than the box that my titanium one came in. Some kind of patch, I don't know what that's all about. Sticker, okay, and a bunch of peanuts. All right, set that off to the side. So this one I got from Blade. What's it called? I don't know. Blade something or other. The other ones I got from Knife Center. The knife guys are probably laughing at me, but Blade HQ? I think it's Blade HQ. Wow, so this comes with a pouch and everything, and my other one just came in a like a machinist plastic case. I don't know what that is. It looks like microfiber cloth. It's interesting how this comes with a nicer kit than the titanium one, which is about 3 times the price, 4 times the price. Oh, I was thinking that would be black. I was thinking the shark lock would be black, but I guess it's not. And then it has the DLC coated blade here. Now this one does have the AUS 10A, and the titanium one has the 3V. So yeah, and this is supposed to be Jade, so I thought it would be some kind of green. Maybe it is greenish looking. Almost looks like it's tan. You know what, let's open this one up and compare it to this one here. Just look at it compared to the white. See, it looks kind of like a tannish greenish color. And then the pivot screw is a little bit different on this one too, as compared to the titanium one. Anyway, put this stuff back in there later. The titanium one doesn't have this back spacer. Yeah, it works pretty nice. Maybe I'll sell the titanium one and keep this one. I don't really know. I mean, it feels a lot lighter, obviously, which is funny considering the titanium is heavier, but the scales are thicker on the titanium one. Yeah, I think it's at least an ounce lighter. So let me know what you guys think of these knives. This one I think was $125, and then the non-Jade special version with the AUS 10 blade, the stonewashed, it might not even be stonewashed, it's not black, it's just a metal color, is $150. So I figured I'd give this one a try. So yeah, looking forward to spending a little bit of time with this one. Alright, that will conclude this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. and like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment below. So one more thing, I had read a review on this that it was too grippy, but it doesn't feel too grippy to me. Maybe that was in relation to getting it in and out of your pocket, which is why this little pad is here, so that the clip is resting on that instead of on the texture. But yeah, anyway, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.